Black gesso. So, the black gesso has all the good stuff that a gesso should have. The calcite grounds, if you're painting with oils, it helps to avoid the off-gassing of the oils that happens with their oxidation process down the track. So it's if you're painting with oils over the top. You want a gesso, a good quality gesso. The black gesso contains calcite grounds, but it's also black, matte black, a bit like a blackboard finish. So the black gesso will give you the perfect surface to paint on, but with a black background. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any comments, we'd love to hear from you.